Okay. Alright, looks like the other train cleared the track. We'll be proceeding to Grosvenor. Oh yeah, you might have seen those advertisements that say "Let's treat others with respect," and it has the bus operators on it. If you're wondering why those have shown up a lot lately, it's because apparently the assault rate on Metro bus operators is growing up. Like, I don't know why anybody would assault the Metro operators. They're just doing their job. They're trying to get to where you're trying to go. Did you hear that one about the woman who threw a puppy at a bus driver on the Yeah, a lot of my friends and people in the community, they call it the X2 now because everybody acts like it's the X2 line in downtown DC. You might actually be able to see it today. Well, X2, I know one end, yes, the bus line's got articulated buses on it and stuff. I know one end of the X2 is Minnesota Avenue. That's by the Five Guys in my Let's Watch Here Five Guys series, which I haven't uploaded yet. I might soon. Jazz. I got no service in this town. It's got me perplexed. Oh well, at least now we know the driver can't text. Oh wait, we both don't got no service. We're slowing down to Grosvenor. Looks like we're going to be utilizing the pocket track today. XXX Confession for Arizona. This fat boy is his speed. Okay, we're pulling into the and we stopped outside the Grosvenor pocket track, waiting for a train to move. I don't know why we held it white flint. The train's just gonna do this. Looks like an original braided train's pulling out of the Grosvenor pocket track. Do you see that train over there? You'll see it in the video, Daniel. Look over there.
This train will be moving up. Please hold on.
Oh, it says it on the edge of the display board too. I'm going to be putting a lot of scenes of the Metro to the vlog, although it won't be mainly on the Metro, on like the Hershey Park vlog. Yeah, I'll show you uncut, uncensored. Auto show is going to be lit. It's going to be the second coming of the Hershey Park vlog. One of those girls looked like Brooke, but I know it isn't Brooke. No, I think a lot of these people are actually going to the same place as us, the auto show.
Doors open. Step left. This is a red line train to Glenmont. The next stop is Medical Center. Step back. Doors closed.
Gallery Place, I think he'll be meeting us up at, which is where we switch trains. Yeah. Kind of a rare chance, but I might see Aaron on the platform at Bethesda, but he said he'd be here at 11:30, so he might not be here. Alright, they just left Grosvenor. Get some dope views from this. the stop before. 7219. Oh, I actually got service inside the station. I got a full bar. Yeah, I told him it's the third car, 7219. Sitting. Yeah. Huh? I have a full 4.
Okay. I was gonna say, mine's full.
He says I'm riding your train. Actually, Aaron might be getting on this train. He says there's a train about to enter his station heading towards Glenmont. Yeah, I told him 7219, third car on the train, Glenmont bound. There's the Pocket Track at Medical Center. Thanks. Hopefully Aaron catches our train card. Okay, so our other vlog member, Aaron, might be about to join us here on Kawasaki 7219. Approaching Bethesda station. He says he's waiting at Bethesda. The train's about to come in. Yeah, it's the third car on the train. Confirm it with him. So now I'm gonna have to put feet Double Daniels and Aaron Max at the top instead of just feet Double Daniels if he pitches up. Alright, train coming in. police up here somewhere. There was him. He just passed on the platform. I saw him on the platform. He's not on the right car. I said, which car you boarding?
This is a red line train to Glenmont. The next stop is Friendship Heights.
Aaron, get your ass up here. Aaron, get in here. What's good?
Step back. Doors open.
They're sitting right over there. They're sitting right next to my mom. So anyways, welcome to the vlog, Aaron. Okay, so anyways, got a new vlog member. He just joined the train at Bethesda, and he's going to be riding with us all the way to Gallery Place. What is this? That cake though. This man mixing a protein shake right on the train. Look at that. Did you see the guy over by the door? He's mixing a protein shake like right on the train. You ain't supposed to do that, man. Cool, what'd he do? Literally, we entered Bethesda and we saw you waiting by the escalator, and I texted you which car you're boarding, and Danny was like, get on the third car. And then I see you just running into the train.
Oh, yeah, that's Daniel.
Did you see me next to Daniel, or?
I just saw Daniel.
You just saw Daniel?
I mean, his pepperoni face is kind of hard to see.
Don't cause a neighbor moment. I'm doing a metro. Friendship Heights station, the end of the single track zone. Oh, who's that?
I know where I'm going.
Who's that? Oh, it's the guy from the locker room.
It's the guy that keeps stalking me.
There's a no passenger train just chilling on the other platform. He doesn't need no security.
No. Oh, wait, hold up.
Doors open.
This is the team.
This is a red line train to Glenmont. The next stop is
You know, technically, you can
University.
host people over at your house.